Today we're going to be unboxing the Discovery 2.0 with the fingerprint locking system from Blue Bus Fine Tools. Okay, so let's get right into it. I'm very excited to open this up. They have the Discovery 1.0. The main difference is that it has a key to open it up, and this one is going to have the fingerprint. This box is incredibly sturdy and beautiful. So let's open it right up. The packaging on this is very well done. It's got some really cool designs in there. It's the little things like this that you know if they're thinking about what the inside of the box looks like, then they're putting a lot of thought into the actual product. So let's do it. So it's locked right now. And then if you have kids, you need this. Let's check out what's inside. First, we'll remove this that has all the pieces inside for it. The tray slides out and comes all the way out. It's got a few compartments on here. We have the product catalog, all the different products that they have. First, I'm going to go through everything that's in the box and then we'll put it all together to see what it looks like. 2 bags for your herbs. Here's the instructions on how to open up the fingerprint. Remove this. And we have more things. This top lid is magnetized, so we're going to be able to put a ton of accessories on here. All right, so we have a lot of accessories here as well as right here. And first I'm going to take the tray out and we'll start loading it from the bottom and going up. So we have a lid here. This will cover up in this little compartment. Allows us to put stuff under there and hide it, whether it be papers, lighters, whatever you want. 3 separate airtight jars that fit right in this little spots. So we have the magnets that we can use for attaching to our own accessories. That way we can place them right on the back. Right here we have a grinder brush, which is great because right next to it we have a 4-piece grinder. And this is a really well built grinder. It's got the keef compartment. It's got some tools. You can put that right in there. We can start building on the top part. I'm going to put the tray back on and I'll show you what these accessories are for. First, we have a couple of cone loaders. The way these work is they go right into here on your tray. You have 2 different sizes for different size cones. Then it comes with these 2 little caps that once you put your cone in there, it goes right over that. And then it comes with this brush. It allows you to easily brush your ground herb right into your cone. And then to help with that is also a metal cone packing tool. Then it comes with this little metal piece that actually magnetizes right to the edge right there. And you can place your tools on there, whether it's your cone packing tool or your brush that comes with it. It goes right there. Now we have a little tray that you can place right here and put your ground herb in there if you need to. This other little attachment piece right here is intended for magnetizing right here on the back. This also comes with a set of scissors if you need to. This is for clipping your joints, or you can even use it to grind up some bud if you need to. Those go right into there and they actually magnetize to the lid, so they're not going to be flopping around everywhere. You have a built-in little ashtray that goes right here. You can rest your joint right here with the ashing right there. Another item that doesn't come with the box but is optional and it's actually really clutch is this light for whenever you're using your box in the dark or at nighttime and you don't want to turn on the lights. This is a perfect little battery powered motion sensor light. It comes with some magnets that you can attach to the back, but because this is already magnetized, you can just stick it right on the end right here. And all you need to do is just press it once to turn it on, press it again, and once it blinks, that means that it's in the motion sensing mode. Once that's done, you put it on there. One of the other cool things about this tray is that it has this notch right here that it's actually a phone stand. So you can just put your phone right there while you're rolling up and entertain yourself a little bit. When you're done rolling up, all you have to do is just remove the magnetic tool. You can stick it onto the lid right there and it's right where it needs to be. This can just close right up and go ahead and close it. It is locked because it locks automatically. All you have to do is just when you set the fingerprints, you're gonna touch, hold, unlocks, and you have everything you need right where it needs to be at your fingertips. This stash box is great for people that have kids or don't have kids, but really just want one really nice box that they can put out in their house and not feel embarrassed about not feel like it's an eyesore, but actually contributes to the decor and aesthetic of your house. And you need everything in one place, lockable, safe. This is definitely the solution for you. And especially if you're new and you don't have, say, a grinder or jars or just a lot of the basic tools that are in here, if you just buy this one box, you'll have everything you need to get started. Thank you so much for staying with us and watching this unboxing. If there's any questions you have about the Blue Bus Discovery 2.0, feel free to drop them in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer it for you. If you want to learn more or purchase your very own, check out budsby.com. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching.